In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently utilize Lovable AI to create captivating LinkedIn content. Have you been searching for a way to enhance your professional presence on LinkedIn but aren't quite sure where to start? Well, no worries, because I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you're set up for success in leveraging AI technology to make your LinkedIn post truly stand out. To begin, you'll first want to open Lovable AI in your Chrome browser. It's always a good idea to use this browser for a seamless experience with this tool. Once you have the platform open, you'll be directed to the initial landing page, which hosts various functionalities. Here, our main focus will be on accessing or creating a project that's specifically geared toward LinkedIn content. If you have an existing project, feel free to use it. However, don't worry if you don't. Crafting a new project is straightforward and allows you to customize it right from the onset to align perfectly with your LinkedIn goals. Moving on to the next crucial step, employing the AI text generation features offered by Lovable AI. This is where the magic happens. You can use these tools to generate engaging and compelling LinkedIn posts. The AI has been designed to assist you by suggesting ideas, structuring sentences, and even providing content that's tailored to fit the professional tone expected on LinkedIn. Experiment a bit with the input prompts to see how it can cater to your specific niche or industry. You might notice the system suggesting a variety of post formats, from quick tips and news updates to more comprehensive thought leadership articles. Once you have generated some draft posts, you'll need to customize these to better resonate with your professional audience. This might involve refining the language to match your voice or adding personal insights and experiences. Remember, while AI creates an excellent foundation, your personal touch is what will truly connect with others in your field. Include calls to action or poignant questions that encourage engagement and foster conversation, key aspects of an impactful LinkedIn post. After your posts are polished and ready to go, you have a couple of options. You can schedule your post directly through Lovable AI, allowing you to plan and maintain a consistent posting schedule with minimum effort. Alternatively, if you prefer a hands-on approach, you can export the content for manual posting. This gives you the flexibility to post at specific times and engage with your audience in real time. Lastly, don't forget the importance of tracking engagement and refining your content strategies. Lovable AI provides valuable insights and analytics on your posts. Take advantage of these insights to analyze which posts performed well, understand audience engagement patterns, and refine your future content strategies accordingly. This will help ensure your LinkedIn presence remains dynamic, relevant, and influential. With these steps, you're all set to elevate your LinkedIn game using Lovable AI, driving greater engagement and enhancing your professional brand online.